Alright, so this question is find duplicate subtree. So you're given a root of a binary tree, so return a duplicate subtree. So the duplicate tree are what? The same structure and the same nodes. So this is, straightforward enough. So let me just summarize the question. So I'm going to just, traversing all the tree node from the top to bottom, and I'm going to create a path in a string format from the bottom up. So how would I do is, well, I'm using the PreOrder traversal, and then I'm going to just add the the string format, so I'm going to say root.val plus the left.val plus the right.val, right? And I'm going to keep all of the string, string traversal into my map, and my string is my key is a string, my value is the integer, right? And I'm going to just keep adding the path into the map, and then see if there is the record inside my map, and if there are the paths inside the map, which is what which mean the frequency is more than 0, right? But it doesn't matter, because if there are multiple duplicate subtree, right, we only need to add once, right? So we would just basically add the path into the list if the frequency is actually equal to 1, right? So this is pretty straightforward. So let me just stop coding, and then yeah. So this is a function that this is a tree node class. Alright, so let's just start writing. So map string integer, right? Map, and I need a what? I need a list of tree node. I'm going to call result, right? So map equal to new HashMap, and result equal to new array list, right? And then I need to using the traversal function, so I'm traversing a root, and I'm going to return the result. Alright, so since we're adding the value, into the into the map, so the traverse is actually a string return type, and tree no, right? So if the no is actually equal to no, then I can initialize my string. Alright, so I'm gonna using a number sign, and I'm keep traversing for my left subtree. So traverse node.left and right equal to traverse node.right. Alright, so now I have a path, right? So a path is actually equal to what? Path is actually plus equal what? Plus equal node.val plus comma, using a comma operator, right? And plus left.val, plus left plus comma plus right. So the reason what I don't need to have left.val is because whenever I traverse whenever I traverse every single node, I'm adding a node.val into the path, so it has to be unique, right? So at the end I would have to return path, right? And I also need to add a path into the map, right? And I need a +1, but I also need a frequency, right? So freq is what? Map.get or default path, 0, right? So if the frequency, if there is no path inside the map, the frequency is starting from 0, right? Alright, so for the last step, I need to check my frequency. So if freq is actually equal to 1, which means I'm adding another path into the map, right? So it has to be duplicate, it has to be, right? So result.add the path, right? So the reason why I'm using plus equal is what I have a number sign, right? I can definitely do it. I can definitely like doing like this, but I like to, you know, make sure I start in the correct format. So maybe this is okay. This is not okay. String paths, and maybe this is okay. Maybe this is okay. Path. Oh, sorry. So the result is what, tree node, right? So I'm adding the current node into the, so you know, like if I find a frequency already inside my map, right? I know my current root is what, a duplicate subtree root. I need to add a node into the list of tree node, right? So yes, sorry for the mistake, but whatever. And yeah, so for the time and space, I would say all of them. Like you traverse every single element for the time, right? And then for the space is also all of them. You add in the path into the what, into the map, and they are n nodes, and then they are, you know, n path at least, right? And this is my solution. So if you still have a question, leave a comment below. Subscribe if you want it. Alright, peace out, bye.